Broker IPTV.
Today we're talking with Leslie Rusher from Metrolist, and the topic today is Prime Access. Leslie, welcome to the show. I appreciate you being here.
Hi, thanks for having me.
So there's been another release with Prime Access. We've been talking to people from Metrolist for a while now, and a new release comes out. We like to find out what's going on. This time it's about public records. Is that right?
Of course, yes.
So tell me how that works.
Okay, well, public records encompasses deed and tax information from 18 counties, and we've simplified it a little bit from My MLS. With one single search engine, our customers are able to search and find whatever they need, and as with all other Prime Access searches, there's only one required field, so our customers are able to find what they're looking for with maybe even limited information.
Because in the past, in My MLS, you would click PDC, and it would take you to an entirely different screen, and then you'd have to try to get back to My MLS. Is that right?
Yes.
This does not happen now in Prime Access?
Well, it's a separate tab, but it's all part of Prime Access.
Okay,
yes.
so we just click the tab, put in the information, and it stays right there.
Absolutely.
All right. Benefits.
You know, it's one single source to come to instead of having to research multiple county or public websites. We take the time to format all of the counties to look the same, so it's easier to find the information that you're looking for and you know, easier to understand what you're looking at.
Right.
And with the deed information, it's updated once a week, so it really is the most current ownership information.
Yeah. Well, you don't have to sell me because I'm a big fan of Prime Access.
Well,
I use it exclusively, and that helps me out a lot because in the past, I used to have to go back to My MLS and look up deed information and county information, and I really don't like going through the county websites. I would just as soon have it all in one place. Let's talk about some other advantages of Prime Access while we're here.
Yes, definitely. Well, as with other Prime Access searches, you have PDF and HTML format reports that are really easy to print or email right out of the system. You know, you can run statistics on your results as with other Prime Access searches.
And I'm a big fan of the mapping feature right now.
Yes, we've definitely incorporated our map, so you can define your geographic region on your map and go from there.
Well, here's what I like about the mapping feature is that before I used to have to know the subdivision name, and now I don't have to. Now I can just type in the address of the property and say, show me everything within 2 miles of this.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's one of the biggest benefits of our new map is that it's not reliant on listing data.
Right.
So it doesn't matter what the subdivision is actually called or how the listing agent spelled it. Is it one word? Is it two?
Right. I can just say, show me everything within half mile, mile, 2 miles, 5 miles, and so forth.
Up to 5 miles.
Yeah. Are there a lot of people who are using the mapping feature that like it now?
Yes, that's probably one of the biggest draws to Prime Access is our new map. People seem to love it.
All right. How about data? I mean, how about what different types of data can we get in listing presentations and things of that nature?
Well, you can definitely use our public records information to prepare yourself with property information for a listing presentation. That's one of the biggest reasons people use it. And then once you get the listing agreement, then you have all the information already that you need to input it into the MLS because our listing input auto-populates, as you know, off of the PIN number that you get from public records.
Like that.
So it makes data entry fast, easy, and way more accurate.
I like auto-populate.
Absolutely.
Because if I don't have to retype it or look it up, that's good for me.
Absolutely.
All right, well, I'm excited about it. Thanks so much for being with us. I like the new changes.
Well, excellent. Thanks for having me.
Keep up the good work.
We will.
Find more real estate videos at brokeriptv.com.